Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have prerequisites: a modern browser and admin access. First, install Cookie Quick Manager and pin it to the toolbar so you can reach it fast. Once done, click the icon and review requested permissions. Accept only what you trust. Make sure to pause any global auto-cleaning features, otherwise you'll lose test cookies while configuring filters. This gets you into the extension interface immediately and prepares the environment for precise cookie control. Now you'll build filters. Click Add Filter and enter the site's domain, cookie name, or path. This is how you target specific cookies. Choose Include versus Exclude to decide whether the rule keeps or removes matching cookies. Once you create one, test it on 1 or 2 sites to confirm behavior, reload pages, and inspect cookies in the panel. If needed, refine patterns with wildcards to capture groups. Save and label each filter so you can reuse or tweak it quickly later. Finally, automate maintenance. Enable scheduled runs or set rules to apply on tab open. This keeps cookies managed without constant attention. After automation, verify outcomes by checking the cookie list and reloading affected sites to confirm functionality. This prevents login or preference loss. If something breaks, disable filters one by one to isolate causes, then restore defaults if needed. A key troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache and restart the browser after changes. This often resolves lingering state issues and shows true behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.